If you need to add a top on your cylinder, like I'm making a container, so I would need a top on mine. I rolled out my slab using my rulers, 1 inch, 1 ruler thick, I mean. I'm gonna take my cylinder, I'm gonna do the same process that I did for my base. So I'm gonna flip it upside down. Make sure it's kind of in its shape that I need. And then I'm gonna use the pin, trace around so I see where it's at so that I can add my slip. Carefully take it off. And then I'm going to score and slip the top of my cylinder. And then my bottom circle again. I'm going to put it back on my spot. Very, very gently. I'm gonna tap it down to make sure it's adhered to that. I'm gonna take a tool and I'm gonna trace around my circle on the bottom, leaving a little bit of excess room. And I'm kind of also tracing at an angle so I can pull some of that extra clay up. Take my excess off. I'm going to pull up really quick just to make sure this is not attached to the canvas. And then I'm going to use my tool, my green tool, to pull that excess clay up again, just like I did for the top, or the base. Now I'm doing the top. But it's the same process. Spin it around so you can see. So now I have a closed cylinder with a top and a base. If I want to smooth it out, I like this tool. I could go up, make sure you're gentle because it's still very, very fragile. Like you're doing this very, very softly. And you can just pull up to kind of smooth out those sides, but we'll be carving into it. Anyways, so that's your cylinder, top and base.